Hello everyone, my name is R. Nirshana Raman. I'm a postgraduate student from University of Malaya. Today I would like to share my systematic literature review on my ongoing study titled Exploring Teachers' Motivational Strategies to Enhance ESL Students' Motivation in Developing English Speaking Skills in Higher Education. So let me begin, yeah. English speaking skills are a crucial component of higher education as they are essential for academic presentation, classroom discussion, group work, and future workplace communication. In many higher education institutions where English is used as the medium of instruction, students are expected to actively participate in oral activities that require confidence and communication competence. However, despite years of formal English instruction, many ESL students continue to struggle with speaking skills. These difficulties are often associated with speaking anxiety, fear of making mistakes, low self esteem, and lack of confidence, which ultimately reduce students' willingness to participate in classroom speaking activities. So, motivation plays a significant role in second language acquisition, particularly in developing speaking skills. Learners who are motivated are more likely to take risks, practice speaking, and engage in communicative tasks. Conversely, students with low motivation may avoid speaking opportunities, remain passive in class, and experience persistent anxiety. In this context, teachers play an essential role in shaping students' motivation through the strategies they employ in the classroom. Teachers' attitude, instructional approaches, feedback practices, and classroom environment can either enhance or hinder students' motivation to speak. Previous studies in ESL and EFL contexts have highlighted the importance of motivational strategies in encouraging students' oral participation. These strategies include creating a supportive learning environment, promoting students' autonomy using interactive speaking activities, and providing constructive feedback. However, the effectiveness of these strategies may vary depending on the educational context, the teaching style, and the student's perception as well. In higher education settings, where students are expected to be more independent learners, understanding how lecturers motivate students to speak becomes even more important. Therefore, this systematic literature review aims to synthesize existing empirical studies on teachers' motivational strategies used to enhance ESL students' motivation in developing English speaking skills in higher education. By systematically reviewing previous research, this chapter seeks to identify key motivational strategies, examine students' perception of these strategies, and explore their impact on speaking anxiety and willingness to communicate, and highlight the methodological trends and research gaps that justify the present study. So these are the theoretical foundation, understanding motivation in language learning. So motivation has long been recognized as a key factor influencing second language acquisition. In the context of ESL speaking, motivation determines learners' willingness to practice speaking, participate in oral activities, and persist despite challenges. Several motivational theories provide a theoretical foundation for understanding how teachers' strategies influence students' speaking behavior. So, as we look at the first theory, it is by Ryan and Deci, 2020, self-determination theory. So, self-determination theory proposes that learners are more motivated when three basic psychology needs are fulfilled, which are autonomy, competence, and also relatedness. Autonomy refers to learners' sense of control over their learning. Competence relates to learners' belief in their ability to succeed, and relatedness involves feeling of supported and accepted by others. In ESL speaking classroom, students are more likely to speak when they feel that their opinion are valued, their mistakes are tolerated, and they are supported by both teachers and their peers. Teachers who adopt autonomy supportive strategies, such as allowing students to choose discussion topics or express ideas freely, can actually enhance intrinsic motivation. Similarly, providing constructive feedback can actually help students to develop a sense of competence while creating a respectful and encouraging classroom atmosphere which fulfills students' need for relatedness. These elements are particularly important in speaking activities where students are often exposed to judgment and also evaluation. So next, let's look at motivational self system. So this is by Dorney 2020. So the L2 motivational self system emphasizes learners' vision of themselves as successful users of the second language. When students can imagine themselves speaking English confidently in academic or professional settings, they are more motivated to engage in speaking practice. Teachers play an important role in shaping the vision by actually encouraging students, highlighting progress, and also linking speaking tasks to real life communication. In higher education, where students are preparing for their future careers, motivational strategies that connect speaking activities to workplace communication, presentation, and professional interaction can actually strengthen students' ideal second language self. This in turn increases their willingness to communicate and reduces anxiety associated with speaking tasks. Overall, these motivational theories highlight the importance to teachers' strategies in fostering a learning environment that support motivation to speak. They provide a theoretical basis for examining how lecturers' motivational practices influence ESL students' speaking development. Okay, let me move on. So these are the four key motivational strategies from the literature, where a systematic review reveals different approaches that lecturers employ to enhance ESL students' speaking motivation in higher education context. So these strategies can be grouped into thematic categories based on their focus and impact on the student's oral presentation. So looking at Norami 2025, uh, in this researcher study, okay, he mentioned that one of the most frequently reported motivational strategies is the creation of supportive and low anxiety classroom environment. ESL students often experience fear of making grammatical or pronunciation error, which discourages them for speaking. Teachers who adopt a non-threatening approach emphasize communication over accuracy and normalize mistakes help reduce students' anxiety. Studies have also shown that when lecturers respond positively to students' attempt to speak and avoid excessive correction, students feel more comfortable participating in oral activities. A supportive environment encourages risk taking, which is essential for speaking development. This strategy is particularly important in higher education where students may feel pressure to perform well academically. Next, let's look at Devi 2025 study, where she actually talks about promoting students' autonomy and participation. So this is another commonly identified motivational strategy, which involve promoting student autonomy, allowing students to make choices in speaking activity, such as selecting topics or working in preferred groupings, increases their sense of ownership over their learning. Autonomy supportive practices have been found to enhance intrinsic motivation as well as engagement. In ESL speaking classes, lecturers who encourage student-led discussion, peer interaction, and collaborative tasks help students become more active participants. This shift from teacher-centered to learner-centered instruction increases opportunities for authentic communication and sustained speaking practice. Next, let's look at DESTA 2022's study, where she actually discussed that using interactive and communicative tasks such as role play, group discussion, debates, and presentations are widely reported as effective motivational strategies. These activities provide meaningful context for communication and allow students to practice speaking in realistic situations. Studies indicate that students are more motivated to speak when tasks are relevant, engaging, and related to real life communication. So, in higher education context, speaking tasks that stimulate academic presentation or workplace scenarios are particularly motivating. Such tasks help students see the practical value of speaking skill, which actually enhances their motivation as well as participation. Okay, the last but not the least, providing feedback, positive feedback and encouragement, which was found by Zen 2023. Okay, so in this study, it stated that positive feedback is another key motivational strategy highlighted in the literature. Constructive feedback that focuses on improvement rather than errors actually help to build students' confidence. Encouragement from lecturers reassures students that their efforts are recognized and valued. Research suggests that students who receive supportive feedback are more willing to speak and less afraid of making mistakes. This strategy plays a crucial role in developing confidence and sustaining motivation in ASL speaking classroom. Okay, let us move on. So I'm now going to present on students' perception and speaking behavior. Okay, so the first one is going to be on the impact of teacher support. So students' perception of teachers' motivational strategies significantly influence their motivation and speaking behavior. Several studies have explored how ESL students view their lecturers' teaching practices and how this perception actually affect their confidence as well as their willingness to communicate. Many students report feeling more motivated to speak when lecturers are approachable, patient, and also encouraging. Supportive teacher behavior reduces speaking anxiety and creates a sense of psychological safety in the classroom. When students perceive their lecturers as understanding and non-judgmental, they are more likely to participate in their speaking activities. Speaking anxiety has been constantly identified as a major barrier to oral participation. Fear of negative evaluation, embarrassment, and making mistakes often prevent students from speaking in class. However, studies indicate that motivational strategies such as peer collaboration, gradual exposure to speaking tasks, and positive reinforcement can actually help students reduce their anxiety levels. Willingness to communicate is closely linked to motivation and confidence. Students who feel motivated and supported are more willing to initiate conversation, participate in discussion, and express their opinions in English. Teachers' motivational strategies, therefore, plays a crucial role in shaping students' willingness to communicate, particularly in higher education settings where active participation is expected. Overall, the literature suggests that students' positive perception of lecturers' motivational strategies contribute to increased confidence, reduce anxiety, and greater engagement in speaking activities. So let's look at the research gaps and also the future direction for the research. So these are the limitation in the methodological part in existing research. Okay, so let me go through one by one. Okay. A review of methodological trend revealed that many studies on motivation in ESL speaking have adopted quantitative research design, particularly questionnaires and surveys. These studies provide valuable insights into general pattern of motivation, anxiety, speaking behavior among ESL learners. Some studies have employed mixed method approaches too, combining questionnaires with interviews and classroom observation. However, purely qualitative studies focusing on in-depth exploration of lecturers' motivational practices and students' lived experiences remain limited. Quantitative approaches may not fully capture the complexity of classroom interaction and the dynamic nature of motivation in speaking activities. This highlights the need for qualitative research design that allow researchers to explore how motivational strategies are implemented in real classroom setting and how students respond to them. Despite extensive research on motivation in ESL learning, several gaps remain in the literature. First, there is a lack of qualitative study that focus specifically on lecturers' motivational strategies in higher education ESL speaking classroom. Many studies rely heavily on students' questionnaires, which may not provide a comprehensive understanding of classroom practices. Second, limited research has incorporated classroom observation to examine how motivational strategies are enacted during speaking activities. Observation data can provide valuable insights into teacher-student interaction that cannot be captured through surveys alone. Third, there is insufficient research that triangulates lecturers' perspective, classroom observation, and student reflection. Such triangulation is essential for gaining a holistic understanding of how motivational strategies influence students' motivation and speaking behavior. Therefore, the present study seeks to address these gaps by adopting a qualitative research design involving semi-structured interview, classroom observation, and reflective student feedback. By doing so, this study aims to provide a deeper understanding of teachers' motivational strategies and their impact on ESL students' motivation in developing English speaking in higher education. That's all from me for today. Thank you so much.